Looking for precision in your construction projects? Precast, steel, and rebar detailing are essential services that ensure your building's framework is strong, accurate, and ready for the future. Precast detailing involves creating detailed plans for concrete components made off-site. Steel detailing focuses on the framework, ensuring every beam and column fits perfectly. Rebar detailing provides exact layouts for reinforcing bars, guaranteeing structural integrity and safety in every project. At Silicon Consultants LLC, we combine computer-aided drawings, or CAD, and building information modeling, or BIM, to deliver high-quality detailing services. Our experienced engineers and drafters follow every level of development, from LOD 100 to LOD 500, and support BIM from 3-dimensional to 7-dimensional stages. We serve clients across the United States and internationally, offering tailored solutions for projects of any size. With over 16 years of experience, we provide one-stop innovative engineering solutions for architecture, engineering, and construction organizations. Our competitive pricing and commitment to accuracy set us apart in the industry. Ready to elevate your project? Contact us at info@siliconconsultant.com or call +1 763 270 8285 for a free consultation and demo.